Maybe you have to explain that as well. So that's pickard. That's a block to hold your anvils, different anvils for different hammering stuff. So if you use a hammer here, that's shock absorbing, that part here. Usually you don't have that, so it's bad for your elbows, bad for your joints, okay? So that one here is taking that rebounds off a little bit. Same with those hammers here. So you take the rebounds off because you got shocks in here. So your force onto the anvil is much less. Okay? People always ask me why do you have so many different hammers. That one here is a swaging hammer. So you go on the edge and swage the metal around. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but planishing hammer, so you straighten out a piece of metal. So if you got uneven surfaces, you can get them really tight again, so really smooth again. And then you obviously can do some arty stuff. So we know of different anvils, curved seaming, curved one, different curved top one, or a knob here, round, or just if you do a little fold, so like that, you got the sharp edge on top here. Okay, so I'll show you how they work in a minute. So I put myself here a little line with a piece of copper, so I can just go on here, give them a bit of an edge. Use it as an anvil. Oh. So that's how you fold it, sort of a straight line. That's how you bend it back. Get it down to 90 degrees. I only have small ones here, we got bigger ones also, if someone is interested in. Then if you look at those hammers here, they're pretty much the same. It's just like one is a cross hammer, one is a straight one. That's a stretching hammer. We call them stretching because you can go on here and stretch the copper around, okay? The more you hammer, the more it stretches. You see now it's quite rough on the top here. You can see that. Then planishing hammer, so that's a slight curved top, we call that. You go on with that hammer here, and hammer that flat again. Okay. All right. So if you look at it now, that's already massively curved. I just used copper, so it shows it quite quickly what you're actually doing. So you have to make sure it's straight again in the end. But then that side here is absolute dead flat, so you can get any little small nick out of it again. So that's sort of straight on top here. So if you have to mark something now at 5 mil or whatever, you have to recut it, because obviously you're stretching it, it's getting wider in here. All right. Same but different. Let's say we got a round part like that. So we go in the other direction now. So you can also use a seaming hammer. You don't want to stretch it too much, so are you with me? So you want to have the same curve. Then usually you go on with the softer hammer onto the metal again. Right, so you go the other direction as well. So guys, if you need any anvils like flat one or even long pipe anvils or something like that, give us a buzz so we can get all those tools still brand new, ex-Germany from Pickard, the same like the bottom part here. So they still make them for the whole world. They make them since 250 years, so it's quite old tools, but they still work. If you got a sheet metal shop and you need to do different small things, we can help you with that, get you a proper station here to work on it, or even if you want to have one for at home, doesn't really matter, but yeah, give us a buzz and we can help you and assist you with some tools. Alright, not on the website, but you can contact us and we show you how they work. Alright, sweet, have a good day.